Hello friends, this is Dr. Umesh Kumar Arya, Faculty of Media Studies, Guru Jambheshwar University of Science and Technology. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to add more functions and the features to our blog and how to convert our blog into a website by placing various links in it. And we would learn how to insert video, how to insert links in the blog. So first of all, we have to create a blog. Like in the earlier tutorial, we had learned how to create our own blog. So with this ID we have created a blog. You can create the blog even without making ID on the Gmail. You can have any email ID and go to the blogger.com and create your blog. So this is the control panel of your blog. You can control everything from this place. And one more thing, we can create as many blog as we want within the single blog. For example, manage blogs, it shows that we have created only one blog. And view blog, if we view it, then it would open like this. It is experimental id.blogspot.com. so this is one blog. Now if I want to create another blog in it, then I have to create another blog and I will choose the title second blog. Suppose this is the address, sorry, this is the blog title, and second blog dot check availability. Okay, okay, second dot blog, let's check availability. Okay, okay, then experimental ID second check availability. Yeah, it is available. Then I write this captcha, this is known as the captcha, and continue. And we choose this color for our blog and start blogging. Like, blog has been created, and if we view this blog, then it would open like this, experimental id second.blogspot.com. this is second blog. So what we need to understand here is that I haven't signed up for the blogger.com twice, but I can create my two blogs. Like, this is the first one, experimental id, and this is the second blog. So like, two total blogs are created within the same blogger id. I can create as many as I want. We close this now and focus on only our experimental id. Okay, now the first question is how to insert the video inside our blog. We have to click new post first, and we must write anything about this, like video insertion inside our blog. And we would go to YouTube and we would open this. YouTube will be hosting many videos, and we can put any of the videos here in our blog. It's very slow, and okay, suppose we want to put this video into our blog, then we would click this, and we would share this, and we would click this embed. When you click this embed, then YouTube gives a code. This is known as the HTML code. You copy that, Control C, copy, and you go to okay. Okay, we close this, and go to Blogger experiment, and we paste the code here, and then click compose, or okay, first we click edit HTML, then we paste the code here, then we click this compose. You see the video is inserted inside our blog. Yeah, we can play this video from here also, and we can now publish the post, and when we would open it, then this would be available on our blog. So it was a very simple exercise to insert the video in the blog. Now the second feature is how to insert the links inside the blog. Like, we are going to remove this, edit posts. Now we have learned how to insert the video. We are going to delete it. Yes, okay. We open a blog, umesharya.blogspot.com. Yeah, and you see this blog has many links like the websites. Okay, it's opening again. Yeah, about me, my photos, students corner, my favorite website. Like, if I want to click this about me, then this link would open my curriculum vitae for you, and you can read that it was about me. And these are my photos. Like, I'm clicking the link like the website on the left side, and these are my photos. So if we add this function, then the blog takes the form of a personal website, and we don't need the professional website developer to make our own website. We can do this ourselves by creating these links. So it is slightly difficult, because the normal blogger functions, they don't give you the facility to create these links. So we have to copy some HTML code from somewhere else and copy it in our blog. But the question is how to do it. We are going to learn that. Okay, now we have opened this blog here. Like, I have created 5 blogs within one blogger ID, so I don't need to open many IDs and manage my all the 5 blogs. So Dr. Umesh Arya personal. So we would go to the design. Like, this is the source of the design of this blog, and like, this is the HTML JavaScript. We would click this, and this is the code which we will copy, and place in our own experimental ID. Yeah, so we would click design. This is the source of our experimental ID blog, so we would add a gadget here and we would go to HTML JavaScript. We will click that and we would insert this here, right, and then we would save it. Then save, and if you would refresh it, then you will see something different now, that all these links, they would have been published on the right side. Yeah, these are the links. Now the links have been published, but these links are not linked to any matter inside the blog. So the question is how to make the link of these blogs with the subject matter inside this body of the blog. So we would again go to the source and we would go to posting. We would post something like my CV, and then I would write this is my CV, and like one thing is very important. This is the HTML script for adding the links. Like this about me, it represents the link on the blog, and this me represents the label. Like we have already published these links, now we have to remember the labels of these links. For example, if I am going to add something, and we had already created this, and okay, yeah, my CV, this is my CV. Then in the labels I would write here me, so that this label it links immediately to the link about me, and we would publish this. And now we would see whether it is published or not. Okay, now if I click my photos, then it will say that no link is there, no post is there linked to this my photo. But when I will click this about me, then you see it shows my CV. It means this about me has been linked to this post. So I can create another post here, create a new post, and I can write here like photos. This is the label I have to write, and this is the title, insert photos, dear all. Okay, then I will write the label here as photo, or was it photo or photos? Yeah, it is photos. So we would write photos here and publish the post. So this label is, it will link itself to the photo. For example, if I open this experimental, then if I open my photos, then see insert photos. This is the post which we just wrote, and if I click about me, then it will show my CV. This is my CV, and if I click my photos, then it will show what we have just written. Likewise, I can enter many posts with the label, with a single label like my photo or about me, or I can insert many other posts with these links. So it is up to me how I organize myself, but this is a very simple script to insert the HTML JavaScript in the blog, and this script is widely available. You can find it on the internet, or what you can do is you can just copy one along with this, and you go to MS Word and paste this HTML script there, and you can create your own links, as many as you want. It's slightly slow in opening, but yeah. Here you will paste your HTML script, and then Control P, paste. Yeah, and like see this tag is closed and this tag is open. In between these are the links. You can copy this link and you can paste it here. Like you can change the link from this place, like you can say that my photos, and the label can be photos. Likewise, you can create another link. This time it can be publications, and the label can be pub. This is your own choice. You can name your label any name which you want. You save this and then you copy this and you go to your design button of your blog, and there you can go to design, and you can preview the source, and you can add a gadget and then a JavaScript, and in this you can add this here. So once you save it, then these links would also be published there. So friends, this was very easy as far as linking is concerned. So once linking is there, then we don't need to make our own website by giving the money to the professional, animation professional, so website developer. So we can make use of our website in multiple ways. Thanks for watching.